Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely collections of salwar materials. These are all going to be certain are going to be casual wears and certain will be slightly simple party wear salwars also. Very budget friendly ranges but very pretty lovely collections in vibrant colors. Before seeing the salwars, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase those salwars, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Come on, let's start seeing the lovely salwars now. Very super soft material, a cotton material, more of a spun type. In that we have a lovely gotapatti work on the center with buttons in it. A beautiful foil print running throughout the body of the salwar. And we have a contrast bottom for this in beige color. And the dupatta is a lovely chiffon dupatta with a very beautiful embroidery on it. And we have panels on the sides, beautiful design. And the price of this salwar is 910. It's a cotton salwar material in navy blue and pink color combination. In the center we have a beautiful mirror work with small beads and zardosi works and small knots also. Very lovely design. And throughout the body we have a beautiful print running along the body. And a very nice contrast cotton bottom in print, and the nice chiffon dupatta with the gotapatti work on the corners. Beautiful design, lovely pattern. This is how the salwar is, and the price of this salwar is 990. It's a beautiful green, neon green shade. In that a very pretty embroidery in monotone shade, embroidery and a small chunky work which has been stitched. Very beautiful work in the top, and the bottom is in contrast green color, and the shawl is a printed one in chiffon. Very beautiful one, and the price of this salwar is 900. It's a pure cotton salwar material in light grey and black mixed combination. Very pretty one. In the center we have buttons and a gotapatti work. You could have a closer look of the design, and throughout the body beautiful floral print running along the body, and the bottom is in contrast black with a grey color combination. And the dupatta is a very class dupatta for this in bandhani, chiffon dupatta in bandhani work, black and beige grey color combination. And the price of this salwar is 910. This is again in the chanderi material, a very beautiful salwar. In the neckline we have a embroidery in the neckline in green and yellow shade, which is a monotone shade and in a contrast base. Very beautiful, lovely design, and the bottom is in contrast green. The dupatta is the highlight of this salwar in bandhani silkish material. It's look really class, and the price of this salwar is 850. This is again a very lovely rich salwar in chanderi material in light grey, and the embroidery is in pink shade. Very pretty embroidery. In the neckline we have a small piping also. Beautiful design, looks really rich and class. And the bottom of the salwar is in contrast pink, and the dupatta is going to be a really class piece. It's a cotton dupatta, a slightly shining cotton dupatta, and in that we have a beautiful chunky work which has been stitched work. So the salwar looks really grand with this dupatta, and the price of the salwar is 1180. This is again a super soft cotton material. In that it's more of a dark wine shade, or more of a purple and maroon color mix, dual tone shade. In the neckline we have a button and a gotapatti work, and the body is completely a foil printed one, and the bottom is in contrast beige color. And the dupatta of the salwar is a very class dupatta, an embroidered dupatta. You could see the embroidery, and on the sides we have pipings. So this is how the salwar looks. Very pretty one, and the price of this salwar is 910. This is a grey and a light brown mixed dual tone shade in chanderi material, and in the neckline we have a lovely embroidered with small sequence work. It's all completely stitched, so nothing to worry. Beautiful embroidery running throughout the body. Very pretty one, and the bottom of the salwar is in yellow color, and a very lovely contrast dupatta in bandhani material, in silkish material. This is a beautiful silkish material, a bandhani dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 850. This is a very beautiful peacock blue color shade chanderi material. In the neckline we again have a very lovely embroidery with small chunky works also. You could see the work, and throughout the body we have an embroidery, very pretty one. And the bottom is in contrast pink color, and a lovely shawl for this, a bandhani shawl in pink. It looks really rich and class, and the price of this salwar is 850. This is a pink color cotton salwar material, a pure cotton. In the center we have a nice patchwork in ikat pattern design. It's a pink and navy blue combination, and the bottom is in contrast navy blue. And the highlight of the salwar is again a beautiful chanderi dupatta for this salwar in navy blue and pink color combinations. Look really rich and class, and the price of this salwar is 780. Beautiful chanderi material, in that a very pretty embroidery. You can have a closer look, an embroidery with small chunky works which has been running throughout the body. So the salwar looks really grand, and the bottom is in contrast pink color, more of a tomato pink, with a lovely embroidered dupatta. See how class the dupatta looks, a beautiful embroidery in the dupatta, very pretty one. And the price of this salwar is 700. This is a chanderi material, in that we have a lovely embroidery in light green and grey and pink color combination. In the center we have a embroidery, and throughout the salwar also we have lovely embroideries. And the bottom is in contrast pink color with a lovely shawl, a beautiful Banarasi shawl for this salwar. Looks really class, a rich Banarasi shawl, and the price of this salwar is 1160. This is a neon green chanderi material. In the top we have an embroidery and the chunky work. You could have a closer look. And on the neckline we have a small button work and a gotapati work. Very class and rich salwars these are. And the bottom is in contrast blue color with a lovely shawl for these salwars in a shining material in bandhani design, beautiful shades. And the price of this salwar is 760. This is a maroon color, more of a reddish maroon color cotton salwar material with a neck pattern in the chanderi material. Beautiful panel work. This is an attached work, and the bottom is in contrast mustard, and a very class dupatta of printed chanderi. Very beautiful dupatta. The material is really soft, and the price of this salwar is 780. This is a dark green chanderi material. In the neckline we have an embroidery and a monotone chunky work with small embroideries. All the works are stitched works. Very beautiful one. And the bottom is in contrast red color. And again the shawl is going to be the highlight of these salwars. A beautiful bandhani shawls in shining material. Looks really pretty. Very beautiful one. And the price of this salwar is 850. This is a mustard color cotton salwar material. In the center we have a beautiful ikat pattern design as a panel design, and the bottom is in contrast red color. And again the highlight of this salwar is a beautiful chanderi dupatta, a very soft dupatta in chanderi design, beautiful one. And the price of this salwar is 780. This is a peacock light blue shade of chanderi material, in that very cute and simple embroidery with chunky work, sequence work completely stitched throughout the salwar. Beautiful pattern. And the bottom is in contrast navy blue with a really class dupatta of dual tone of navy blue and light blue. And we have a very pretty embroidery running throughout the dupatta. Really class piece, and the price of this salwar is 700. This is a beautiful red color, more of a pinkish red color chanderi material. A very lovely embroidery with sequence work. Really pretty colors, beautiful design, looks really grand. You can wear it for some parties and all. And the bottom is in contrast yellow, and the dupatta is in beautiful dual tone of red and yellow. In that we have a very pretty embroidery throughout the dupatta, which makes the salwar look even more grand. And the price of this salwar is 700. It's a beautiful peacock green color cotton salwar material. In the neck pattern we have a beautiful ikat pattern as a panel design. Cute simple cotton salwars these are, really good for office wears. And this is the bottom in contrast black, and a very lovely dupatta in chanderi material, a class dupatta in ikat pattern design. And the price of this salwar is 780. This is a dark peacock green shade in the chanderi material, A very beautiful work of embroidery and chunky sequence works, which has been completely stitched. All the works are stitched here. Nothing is a stuck one. And we have in the neckline we have a beautiful buttons with gotapati work, and the bottom is in contrast green with a very class bandhani dupatta, a very beautiful class dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 760. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the lovely collections. To purchase those salwars, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.